Hi there, angels. My wife and I just got this tripod for the GoPro. Volta looks like it's the name of the company, and we're going to do the unboxing and first impression. I will link this below because this can be purchased on Amazon.
Yeah. This is from GoPro. They just call it a Volta.
Oh, okay.
I guess that's how it's pronounced. But yeah, it's a battery tripod to go with the GoPro, so you can charge the GoPro, extend the battery life.
Exactly.
And it's a little remote on the side too, apparently. So, you know, and they show a little. That's kind of cool. It has a little carry pack we can get. Ooh, I'm gonna have to get that. That's for sure.
Yeah.
I didn't even know they had that. So. All right. Well, the easy way to open it is just go to the bottom. Use their tear thing. Oh, boom! There you go, all sniffer. Is he good? Okay. All right, you ready? Well, get this out of here and get it charging. The smell.
Now it looks like there's also an instruction manual.
Pull it from the other side.
Okay, so
there we go. Got it loose.
There's the device.
Get everything out of this real quick. Watch out while it's dangerous. Okay,
She's
so
not worried.
it
She's a little worried.
comes with a screw so you can mount it.
Pardon our bronchial dog.
A charger cord, and then this is the adapter wall for the it goes to the side of the GoPro, and then you can plug it in. It's waterproof still.
Oh, okay, nice, nice.
So it comes with all that.
So we just have to charge it up now?
Yeah, just charge it up, and then we'll hook it up to our GoPro. We have the media mod. We'll hook it up, and it'll plug in somewhere. So.
Alrighty, well, my first impression is it looks pretty sturdy. How's it feel?
Yeah, it's really sturdy feeling. Yeah.
Yeah. Is it heavy?
Yeah, it's got a battery in it, so.
Yeah, it's got a good weight to it.
Yeah.
And actually comfortable in the hand, too.
Yeah, it's real comfortable.
So we should be good on that regard.
Yeah.
Alright, well, we'll give this a try for a while and come back and do a full review. If you have ever used this product before, let us know what you thought of it. And if you haven't, let us know if you have a GoPro. Maybe this is something you'd want to get as well. Until the next time, bye-bye.